Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome back, friends. Welcome to another video lecture by Kami Biology. In this video lecture, we are going to talk about another cell organelles, and we call that lysosomes. So let me write lysosomes. So what? So obviously this is the video of regarded with the cells. So this is the cell videos lecture. Now lysosomes is another organelles which are specially present in eukaryotic cells. They are present in all eukaryotic cell. In all eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell means animal cells, plant cells, euglena, fungi, every kind of the cells. Especially in eukaryotic cells, these lysosomes are present. Now if we see the structure of the lysosomes, so how the lysosomes will be look like? The lysosomes will be look like we can say the lysosomes is actually rough spherical. So this is the rough spherical. And one thing more, that lysosomes are actually membrane bounded organelles. So inside the eukaryotic cell, the lysosomes are what? The lysosomes are the membrane bounded, single membrane bounded organelles. And if we see the diameter of the lysosomes, so it is almost 500 nanometer in a diameter. So this is the diameter of what? This is the diameter of this lysosomes. Now one thing more, inside the lysosomes they contain a hydrolytic enzymes. Let me draw. They contain a special kind of the enzyme, as I draw with a black marker. So these enzymes are called what? These enzymes are called hydrolytic enzyme. Hydrolytic enzymes. Now what are the function of this hydrolytic enzyme, or we can say what are the function of this lysosomes inside the eukaryotic cell? So inside the eukaryotic cell, these lysosomes can collect the garbage material. So let me draw here. So these blues are what? These blue are the garbage material, or we can say these are the waste material, waste or garbage. Or we can also say that intracellular material. Intracellular material. So they can collect the garbage or extras or intracellular material inside the cell, or we can say the complex or large molecules inside the cell, and digest them. So due to this hydrolytic enzyme, the garbage material or the complex material once internalized, so then due to this enzyme, these garbage material will be what? These garbage material or complex material will be digested. So these are the digested organelles inside the eukaryotic cell. So this outer layer is actually the called membrane area. These are the membrane area. So these are the membrane area. So if we see this hydrolytic enzyme, so the pH of this hydrolytic enzyme is actually we can say that the pH of this hydrolytic enzyme is actually 3.0 to 5.0 pH. So their pH is almost 3.0 to 5.0 pH. So that's why we can say that it is actually acidic in nature. What? It is the acidic in nature. So it is acidic in nature. Due to this acidic property of hydrolytic enzyme, they can digest these waste or garbage or intracellular material easily. Fine. So that's all about the lysosomes. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much.